To rate it on a scale of 1 to 10, I will give it 8 over 10. But the training has been a nice one, and I've learned a lot. I won't lie. It's easy. It's for like beginners. I don't know anything about AutoCAD before, but at least to some extent now I know I can use some commands. And the facilitator too is you are really trying. You are making things easy for us, giving us listening here, and whatever we don't understand, we call on you and you attend to us before moving forward. It's a very nice one. Yes, I'm very satisfied with it. It's been a nice one. They are trying, like it's a very good thing. You guys are trying. Yes, I can even 9 over 10 if I'm rating on a scale of 1 to 10 too. But I will want you people to be like, if you can be getting it at the end of each class, like maybe 30 minutes or an hour after the class to enable us practice and get prepared for the next class. Because if you don't practice what you have been taught, we might find it difficult for us to catch up in the next class, because we usually make reference to the last class. That's what the problem I'm having. Getting the notes late, to work on that aspect. So not really.